السلام عليكم ورحمة الله. معكم باشمهندس وليد شعبان. هنتكلم النهاردة عن سبارك فاونديشن تاسك 2. Prediction using unsupervised machine learning. Obtain optimum number of cluster for iris dataset. First step, we import our important packages and libraries. Then we load our dataset from sklearn dataset and explore first 5 rows. We explore our dataset. We see that our dataset is 150 rows. Wow, without any nulls in dataset. All data is float as we see here. Then we obtain optimum number of cluster using elbow method. First we create 10 clusters, 10 KMeans cluster, and save cost of every cluster, and cluster with one, cluster with two centroid, cluster with three centroid, and so, and save the cost of each cluster and choose the better one. We can see here elbow happen at three clusters. And here is sum of square error distance between centroid uh, and data. Here we can see number of clusters. We can see that the elbow has been seen in 3 clusters. And when we increase the number of clusters, the sum of square distance doesn't decrease significantly. So we have choose number of clusters to be 3. Then we show our result with centroid. Here with yellow is the centroid, and the other is the data belongs to this class. Thanks for listening.